At the end of your wedges, you will have to crochet along the edge to close it off and pass by all of the short row steps. In order to pass by the short row step, you will yarn over and insert your hook on that little loop on the side of the step, and then insert your hook on the back loop only of the next stitch, yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook. Double slip stitch on the back loop only of the next stitch and repeat the process on every step. So yarn over, insert your hook into that little loop on the side of the step, and insert your hook into the next stitch on the back loop only. Yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook. You're going to do that to pass by all of the steps. You will also need to pass by steps when creating your wedges. Here is how you will do it. So I'm at the end of the row. I've done 8 stitches. So now I'm going to do a double slip stitch 2 together to pass by my step just like I did before. So yarn over, insert my hook into that side loop and into the next stitch on the back loop and pull through everything. And one more up ahead. And I've just passed through the step and continued one more. Chain 1, turn.